Hey everybody. So my wife got me this because I tend to have like really tight muscles in my shoulders and stuff, so I get a lot of crooks and like weird like pains in my necks. So my wife got this for me so I could try it out, um, and so far it's been really good. So I'll just tell you a little bit about it and then tell you just like a quick warning on it too. So first thing that you want to pay attention to is when you start using it, you lay on it this way. You see it has the two different sides. So for like the first week or so, you lay on it this direction, and then after you kind of get used to it a little bit, you can turn it and lay on it this way. Now, it's been really good for me and it's helped a lot, but the warning to you here is that you want to make sure that you follow the instructions and you use it for a limited amount of time, right? So you don't want to like sleep on it. It's not a pillow because if you try to sleep on it, it will hurt. Like it's not good. So don't do that. Um, Follow the instructions and you do that. Like it's been really helpful to me. So I think it's worth it, and hopefully it'll be helpful to you.